It is a Monday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Law. Oh, well. I hope you only have one Monday this week out there in Radio Land. Not a Monday every day this week, or 2 or 3 Mondays wrapped into one. I hope that's not how your week turns out. And in that vein, we've been talking about divorce actions. What a lovely segue that was. And what we're going to be talking about today, since it's a Monday, is child support. And the whole crowd goes wild. Child support so often is just miserable. And why it's miserable is because a lot of times we have found ourselves that we have clients that rarely get to see their children, but are paying quite a bit of money. And, that can be frustrating. I've even heard tale of, or I had a person that I worked with many, many years ago at Levi Strauss when we were moving boxes around. And he didn't get any of his paycheck until Friday at like 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon because he was paying so much child support. Now, some of that, of course, was his fault. When you have numerous children with numerous different women all over the state, you do have to take care of them. And what are the financial responsibilities of parents? Now, that's both parents, not just one parent. And the financial responsibility is you have to take care of your kids. The state of Arkansas doesn't want to pay for your kids. The federal government doesn't want to pay for your kids. And they want you to put forth the effort to take on your financial responsibility. And failure to take on your financial responsibility may find you in a position where you get your rights terminated. And by that I mean, if the other party files for an adoption, they can terminate your rights if you haven't taken on your financial responsibility. If you've gone 1 year without paying child support, your consent to an adoption may not be required. And if it's not required, you may lose your rights. So we say all that to say, ultimately at the end of the day, if you've had a child, you've got responsibilities that other people don't have. And you as a person need to take on those responsibilities. Now, that's a bold statement with the idea that everybody has a different situation. And sometimes situations are difficult. And, sometimes people find out they've got a 10-year-old in South Dakota that no one ever told them about. And sometimes that just happens. And child support can be a little crazy. And if you need help with child support or any of this is ringing bells and you're just like, Fuller, I've got a nasty situation and I just really need help with it because we're drowning over here, then give us a call. We'll bring you in and we can work through your specific issues and see if we can't get you headed in a better direction.